We have some Pixel 5 stuff. I don't know. Is this even new? This thing has been leaked so much, Will. Mm-hmm. Everything is leaking. But there's an event coming up, and it's on the 30th of September. This event's coming up real quick. Official Pixel 5 renders have now leaked. What? Haven't we seen these shots before?
Yes.
Okay, but I guess they're official now. You got the background on there. We have some specs as well. And I think these specs leaked also, but we just continue to sort of confirm what's going to take place here. Additional information and fills out other details. 6-inch 90 hertz display, 432 ppi, 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio, protected by Gorilla Glass 6, which is a one generation upgrade from the Pixel 4. You have a maybe more narrow than expected bottom bezel on the Pixel 5. The housing is going to be made of 100% recycled aluminum with IP68 water dust resistance. I thought at one point some were speculating it might be made out of plastic, so that's an interesting development, I suppose. 4,080 milliamp hour battery, not a huge battery on there, with wireless charging and reverse wireless charging support. Also, you're going to have a 107-degree field of view wide-angle camera at 16 megapixels and the same 12.2 megapixel main camera as before. You can shoot 4K, 60 FPS. And like almost none of this is surprising. We know it's not going to be a flagship competitor because it's going to pack the 765G from Snapdragon, 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage. I don't know how much that matters. In fact, I've talked on this show previously about how I think it's a smart move for them to approach the mid-range price-wise instead of going up. You know, it's so difficult at the top end. You've got so many players. Samsung's doing what they're doing. I'm folding the phone in my pocket right now.
Yeah.
I fold it. I put it away. I get so much attention with the folding. People, I'm wearing the mask in the street, and they still approach. They say, "Is that the folding one?"
Yeah.
Hey there, sir. Is that folder?
Yeah.
Happened to me today.
The folder?
It was an older lady. She saw me across the way. She said, "Is that the folding phone?" I watched a review on that. I said, "Excuse me."
Well.
It was an older lady. Didn't expect it. Sometimes I'm tapping in the drive-thru. I'm tapping for the payment because I'm a big Samsung Pay guy.
Yeah.
I mean, we've gone over it.
Yeah.
And they say, "What is that? 2 phones stuck together?" That's what somebody said to me. I said, "No." I went, psh, psh. That's what it sounded like. And they were like, "Wow."
Yeah.
That's the effect you get with the folding thing. Man, I got to say, Will, just a quick side note. I never expected to be this into the folding device.
Really?
I never expected it, and now I am. I am into the folding device. Maybe I'll make a video upstairs, a real sit down, let's talk about what's going on, because I think we're getting close.
Okay.
We're getting close right now.
Yeah.
Anyway, Pixel 5, we'll find out more. Price is going to be really important. September 30th. We may or may not live stream the event.